Hi everyone, here I've got HUAWEI P40 Lite and I will show you how to check the IMEI and serial number on the following device. So first of all, I will show you the fastest option to choose from. So let's select the phone dialer and let's type *#06#, and as you can see, the IMEI number and serial number pops out. So let's click OK, and now I will show you the other option through the settings. So firstly, let's tap on settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose about phone, and here you've got the IMEI number shown. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.